Third question, last one. Should I cancel youth group if I don't have enough people? And I'll keep this one short. I say never cancel a youth meeting. It doesn't matter. I mean, how small is too small, right? Well, one kid is too small if you're planning a big thing, right? And you don't know whether to cancel or not. You don't know who's going to show up. But if you have one kid show up and they're of the opposite sex than you, then yes, you should. If you have a Wednesday night service as we do, I would go upstairs and I'd say, hey, listen, we're going to go up to the big church. I'm going to attend church tonight, and I'm sorry, we don't not going to have program tonight. If you have a person of the same sex and you're a woman and a girl shows up and you're a guy and a guy shows up, well then, talk to the parents and say, hey, listen, is it cool if I just take Johnny down to Taco Bell and we're going to go grab a taco together? Is that cool? And you may not even do that, but at least you're changing the context. You're not changing and canceling youth group because you don't have enough, because I believe that sends the wrong message. It says, oh, we only have 3. I planned for 50 and only 3 showed up. We're canceling youth group. That's a bad idea. And the only second reason is that you should cancel is weather, right? Weather issues. Don't put anybody in harm's way. So instead of canceling, I would say do this. Number one, embrace the small, okay? And say, okay, we have a small group. What are we going to do with this small group? And I will adjust to them. I'm going to plan small and to where I can expand it, because it's harder sometimes maybe to plan big and say, well, I have all these games, but I need like 20 people to do them. Well, then you got to scale small, knowing that you're going to have a small group most of the time, but you can always expand it. So plan small and give room to expand, okay? But embrace that small by planning that way. And if only 2 or 3 show up, have a discussion, and go out to eat. If you have a nearby place you can go eat, go grab something with them. Have talks, share with them. You don't have to have a traditional service. Discipleship and getting together isn't about having a program, it's about relationships. So keep that in mind when you're thinking that I only have 2 or 3 kids show up. And then the third thing is create something together. If you have a small group of 3 kids, make a TikTok video. Do something for Instagram. Say, guys, what do you guys want to do? Let's do something fun that we could do for online, for social media, something we can put out there. Maybe record something encouraging for our church. Create something together. Work on a project in your youth room. Clean out that closet together. Move furniture around. Create wall art. There's plenty of things you can do with a small group that you can't do with a large group. So take advantage of those moments with those students, because you're not going to get those moments again. But you can be fruitful with a small group of students.